Hi, welcome to Flannel Board Fun. I'm Wendy, and today I've got something special that's perfect for your next circle time or story time. Stick around to see all the fun ways that felt boards can keep kids engaged, learning, and having fun. Are you ready? Let's play. Okay, friends, today I have something bouncy and round. Bouncy is a big clue for you. These are things that you can bounce and throw. Yes, balls, bouncy round balls. And this one is just a nice little rhyme that maybe I'll teach you and then you can join in if you'd like to. It goes like this. No balls on the ground, so bouncy and round. No balls are ready to play. Someone rolls us around, what color? Red ball. And now we've got one. Hooray! Can you do that with your arms? When we say hooray, you can go hooray as loud as you want. Well, don't scream it, but as loud as you want. You can be excited because we're getting some balls. Are you ready for the next one? So we've got one. One ball on the ground, so bouncy and round. One ball is ready to play. Someone throws us around a yellow ball, and now we've got two. Hooray! Okay, so now we've got two. Let me see which one I'll do next. And this time, by the way, someone is going to not roll it and not throw it. They're going to kick it. Can you kick your foot when we kick the ball? Be careful of your friends and neighbors, okay? All right. Two balls on the ground, so bouncy and round. Two balls are ready to play. Someone kicks us around a green ball. And now we've got 1, 2, 3. Hooray! All right. Three balls on the ground, so bouncy and round. Three balls are ready to play. Someone tosses us a big blue ball. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Hooray! Four balls are on the ground, so bouncy and round. Four balls are ready to play. Someone, what should we do? Someone throws us a big, whoops, purple ball. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! I have one more. It isn't any of these colors. It's going to be a different color. It's when you mix red and yellow together, actually. Do you know what color that makes? It makes this color. Orange. So hold on, let's go back. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 balls are on the ground, so bouncy and round. 5 balls are ready to play. Someone kicks us a round orange ball, and now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 2 hands for that. 6 balls. Hooray! And that's all I have. I have no more, so we'll have to end with 6. Let me throw them to you. There's the orange one. Make sure you catch it. Here's the red one. I'm going to roll you the yellow one. Get it? I'm going to kick you the purple one. Got it? I'm going to throw you the blue one. Catch. And I'm going to toss you the green one. Did you get it? Great. Thank you for collecting all those balls. I'll see you next time. Teachers and librarians, if you like felt board songs, stories, and rhymes like that are packed with lots of fun and early learning, be sure to check out my website, flannelboardfun.com. The link is in the description below. See you next time.